lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to decorate the house for fall. I have the fireplace going. I'm in my little cozy sweatshirt, my Montana sweatshirt. You guys know I love Montana. So I'm like all cozy and I'm gonna put some music on and I'm gonna start decorating this house for fall, and I am so excited. But yeah, so let's get started with this video. If you guys are new, make sure you subscribe down below so you guys can see all the videos I come out with. I have a lot of videos coming, you guys. I am ready to end this year with a bang. Like, I really want to put out some great content for you guys. I already am planning my Christmas videos, so it's going to be a lot of fun stuff coming up, so make sure you subscribe if you're new. And yeah, guys, I am super excited for this video. I'm super excited to get started with decorating for fall. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is decorate my mantle. I have been wanting to decorate this mantle for the longest time. Last year, we hadn't finished the fireplace yet. So this is the first year we actually have our fireplace done, and I'm so excited. So this garland is from Tree Classics. They were so sweet to send this over to me. And you guys, when I tell you that this quality is amazing, like, I am just blown away with how beautiful this is. Last Christmas, they sent me a Christmas tree, and I was so impressed with how beautiful it was. And they sent me over this garland and a wreath as well that you'll see later on. It's so realistic and it's just beautiful. It's very heavy. The quality is amazing. So I just wanted to send a special shout out to Tree Classics for sending me this. And also, guys, make sure you check them out. Right now they have a sale going on until October 31st where you can save 10% off all wreaths and garlands by using code TCWG10. I will put that on the screen as well. And that's on top of the sale. They already have crazy sales on treeclassics.com, but this is 10% on top of that, so that's a super good deal. So I chose the classic Fraser for wreaths and garlands because I wanted to add my own touches. It's a very neutral wreath and garland, so I can incorporate whatever season I want into it. So of course we're doing fall right now, but I'm also going to be using this for Christmas time, and I cannot wait to decorate that. So I just used a coiled garland from Michael's with pumpkins and berries. And these really beautiful berry picks that I saw at Michael's, I just really like them. But I wanted this to be very simple. I like my decor to be very simplistic, but very traditional at the same time. And it just looks so beautiful. I was so in love with the way this all turned out. So here's the gorgeous wreath I got from Tree Classics. I wanted to keep this really simple, so I just put some of these fall colored florals all over them, and I just love the way this looks. It's super simplistic, and like I said, I'm going to incorporate this for Christmas as well. So it's easy to take these off and just make it more Christmassy. So I love the way this looks. I'm not too sure where I'm putting this quite yet. I don't know if I'm gonna do the front door. I might put it on the barn door, but you guys will have to stay tuned during the fall tour. Alright guys, so when you decorate, your house is going to be a mess before you finish. It's going to be a bit, my hair's already a mess. I already put my hair up because it got a little too hot. That garland over the wreath looks amazing. It looks so pretty. And like I said, this company that sent it to me, the quality is absolutely stunning. Like, I have bought so many garlands, so many wreaths. But I just decided I wanted to start investing in quality pieces. Like this is a piece that will, I keep looking at it, but like this is a piece that will last forever. And I really love how simplistic it is. And this wreath is perfect because I'm going to incorporate it for Christmas too. And like you saw what I did, I literally just put some coiled garland from Michael's and some picks, and it made it look super fall. And then when Christmas comes, I'll just take those out and incorporate some Christmassy garland and picks. So it just ended up looking so beautiful and so simplistic, and I cannot wait to finish decorating. I'm a little like, okay, so we were moving, right? So I packed up all the stuff and I got rid of so much holiday decor because I was like, oh, we're moving, let's purge and let's declutter. And I got rid of a lot of stuff. So now I'm looking at these like 2 little bins and I'm like, I used to have like 5 bins. I must have got rid of a lot of stuff. So now I'm looking at these 2 little bins like all sad because I'm like, I have no stuff. I need to go shop for more. So I'm going to do this decorate with me, and yeah, it might be a little different in the fall tour because I might buy some stuff. I'm not too sure yet, but we'll see how it goes with what I have and go from there. But yeah. What a mess. Oh my gosh, it's so messy. So right here, like, I don't really like the way this looks. I used to have so many pillows. I must have got rid of all of them. Let me see. That one looks cute. That one looks cuter. But I still think I'm missing pillows. Like, it just looks so bland. So the lighting's a little off, but you can tell like the white and blue compared to the maroon, it just makes it like so much more cozy and fall in here. I love it. There you go. Oh, you can't really tell that much, but that's beautiful for like my all year round decor, but this just makes it look so much more cozy in here. I'm so loving it already. Like, look at this. Oh, I love. Alrighty, and there we go. The curtains are up. I'm like all sweating. I need to fix that couch, fluff it up a little bit. So this is actually my favorite part of holiday decorating, is when I do the little tray in the middle of the coffee table. I just love throwing like potpourri in here, and I've done this like literally every year. This year I'm just gonna use this really pretty tray I got from Pottery Barn. But yeah, I love doing this every single year. And you guys, when you throw potpourri in a tray like this, the house smells divine all the time. If you guys remember, I made this last year. I love the way it looks. This is literally just floral stems, like a floral bunch, and 2 little picks, and it looks so cute. All right, guys. So I think I'm going to stop filming here just because I needed to leave you something for the whole tour. You know what I'm saying? I still have to decorate the kitchen, and I still have some stuff. I still have a lot of wall decor. I think a lot of these little pieces, the art pieces, I had them in the bookcases, which I don't have anymore. We are supposed to put some some shelves right there, but we just haven't yet. This is like my favorite thing ever. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Of course, I will be doing a full fall tour very, very soon. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel and join our little family here. So I'm so excited to be filming videos again for you guys. Give this video a thumbs up if you like videos like this. And also follow me on Instagram at my lovely Texas home. Yeah guys, that's all I have for you guys. So thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will see y'all on my next video. Bye guys.